In this video, we are going to fix Windows Update error 0x800705b3. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you can need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and proceed to system, click on it. And under the system, you need to scroll down and find for the troubleshoot. Now, next is to click on other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, proceed to Windows Update and click on one corresponding to it. So you need to run the troubleshooter because this will help you to diagnose the problem. Wait until it would be done. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have finished it, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second solution, and that is to do SFC scan. How we can do that at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is a command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side and go with Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please type for SFC space forward slash scan now, or you can simply copy and paste this one since I will be including this at the YouTube description. Click on the enter key in your keyboard, wait until this process would be finished. This will do system scanning and this process will take some time, maybe 5 minutes, but please wait patiently and once you have done this one, proceed on copying and pasting the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Copy and paste it to the command prompt. Okay. And once you are done with all of the steps, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.